Ricky Rabbit and the Garden of Colors. Once upon a time, in a quiet little meadow, lived a fluffy-tailed rabbit named Ricky. Ricky had a great big love for colors. He loved the bright yellow of dandelions, the deep green of the forest leaves, and the brilliant blue of the summer sky. But there was one problem. Poe's own little garden, right behind his cozy burrow, was completely gray. The flowers were gray, the leaves were gray, even the little pebbles on the path were gray. "This just won't do," Ricky said to himself one sunny morning, twitching his nose. "A garden should be full of life and color." So, with a hop and a skip, Ricky gathered his paint pots and brushes. Who's going to paint the garden himself? Sound of paint splashing gently blue for the sky-colored forget-me-nots, he chirped, dabbing his brush onto a petal. The flower instantly shimmered with a beautiful, bright blue. "And red for the roses," he exclaimed, swirling his brush to create a perfect, velvety red rose. He painted and painted, humming a happy tune. The garden was starting to look much better. But soon, Ricky ran into a little problem. He looked into his paint pots. "Oh no!" he cried. "I've run out of orange for the marigolds, and I have no purple for the violets." He sat down on a gray stone, feeling a bit discouraged. What could he do? Just then, a little drop of red paint fell from his brush and landed right into the pot of yellow paint. Sound of a bubbly pop. Ricky's eyes widened in surprise. "Wow!" he gasped, peering into the pot. The red and yellow had swelled together, creating a brand new color. It was a bright, cheerful orange. "I've made orange!" he shouted with glee. V eagerly dipped his brush in and painted a perfect orange marigold. Ricky realized he had discovered a wonderful secret. He started experimenting, his little paws working quickly. He mixed blue and red, and to his delight, a lovely shade of purple appeared, perfect for the violets. He mixed blue and yellow and created a fresh, vibrant green for all the leaves. Sound of happy, light music swelling soon. Ricky's entire garden was a breathtaking rainbow of colors. There were orange marigolds, purple violets, and leaves in every shade of green imaginable. It wasn't just gray anymore. It was a magnificent garden of colors. His friends, Bella the butterfly and Squeaky the squirrel, came to visit. They gasped in amazement. "Ricky, it's beautiful!" They cheered, they danced and played among the colorful flowers, their hearts filled with joy. Ricky laughed, his little body wiggling with happiness. "It's true," he said, holding up his paint-splattered paws. "Mixing and sharing colors makes everything so much more fun and beautiful." And so, Ricky Rabbit learned that, with a little creativity and a willingness to learn, you can bring color and life to anything, making the world a brighter, happier place for everyone. Thank you so much for joining Ricky on his colorful adventure. If you enjoyed our story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun tailies. We'll see you next time.